Alright, hey guys. Today we're going to be doing some slug testing on my dreamline with some custom slugs that we're making. We're going to be, see, I got these done up in batches here. 22.5 grain flat back, nice little hollow point. We're going to start out with these guys. I'm going to fire a 5-shot group downrange. Got a scope cam hooked up so you guys will be able to see some footage of what the target's looking like. And I got my chronograph set up over here so you guys will be able to see what the velocities are looking like. Aside from that, we're just going to see some basic performance, and then I might do a clay target, do a clay block test so we can show you the expansion at the end. But for now, I'm fiddling with this new FX magazine that I got. Still learning how to load these damn things. Alright, this is the new Side Shot magazine. Which they are nice for loading. Alright, so we got 5 loaded up. Let's see what they do on the target. So we're going to be filming this in 240 frames per second. $899. $900. $905. $902. Alright, so that was our first 5-shot group. Now we're going to try out our 21 grain dimple back. This is a 21.5 dimple back, so this is the same length slug as the last one. This is just a little bit lighter weight, so we can expect these to fly a little bit faster. In case you guys are wondering, my reg is set at about 155, maybe 160 bar. I was able to get my hammer spring to open up a little bit more. Found a little trick that I will share with you guys in another video. Alright, so we got 5 loaded up in there. Now I'm not resighting for these, so this is just, we're just checking for groups and consistency. So I'm just going to be picking the corners of the target and kind of working my way around. $920. $924. $927. $928.
922.
All right. The second 5-shot group, those did pretty damn good. These 21, these dimplebacks have been a pretty good performer for us so far. Now we've got a cutback, which is just slightly deeper than the dimpleback. This gives us a little bit more bearing surface as far as the flat section that actually engages the rifling versus the flat back and the dimpleback. So we can make a lighter slug with a longer bearing surface if that's what the gun prefers. And these are also the same length or same weight. These are 21.5. It's the length written in there. So we're doing some testing to see what works the best in different guns. Been testing these in the impact as well, and they're shooting pretty well, especially since impact's a little bit more tunable. So any velocity drop is probably going to be due to extra barrel friction if there is any velocity drop. Alright, go next corner.
I
was actually going a touch faster. So that's our third 5-shot group. Those ones did pretty well as well. Now we're going to step it up to the rebaited boat tails. This is something that I've been the most curious about, simply just because of the extra BC that these get. These should be pretty nasty even if they're going a little slower. Side note, this is one of the reasons that I am using the new side shot magazine, is because these actually have a recess channel in here that allows these to fit and still spin. When we tried these in the standard FX magazine, they didn't want to allow the magazine to really roll. You can see it kind of gets stuck up in there, especially with a full magazine. So, alright, enough talking, back to the shooting. So I'm just going to leave my hammer on the same setting. It is far from maxed out. Where'd my target go? So there's definitely more that the Dreamline can do. The impact is capable of a lot more. Alright guys, might add some other stuff to this video, but that's going to be it for this little section.